Hey guys, I'm showing you this Cluci purses for women. It's Tote Handbags, vegan leather, with the bags and the fashion with a large lady shoulder bag. We got this sample to test and try. So this is in a fold stage. So I will give it some time so that it will regain its shape. So I can show you. Meanwhile, I can just show you this pocket and the space inside. So this is a large bag with this button to close it and then inside pockets. After regaining a little bit of its shape, I can just show this. So this have a pouch as well. So this is a zipper pouch that you can store your small stuff in. This is a design. So it's a fabric, and then on the top is a zipper. So it's pretty flexible, and then also have this inside pockets. It can also hold a tablet or your purse or any other thing, and you can just close it. So there's an inside zipper for small stuff where you don't want to fall. So you can just put it here, just some money, purses, or your mobile. And then also it have this inside space. So after putting in some stuff, you can see that it looks really good while holding it. It's a large bag and holding a good amount of stuff, and the pouch is inside, so you can just put it and take it anywhere you want.